Hey guys, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you some good progress actually, because if you remember well, yesterday we had some troubles updating the image, but right now it's a little bit better. Let's see how it looks like. Awesome. Can you notice how faster it is compared to yesterday's code? This is because I'm now using a shader. And as I've told you yesterday, shaders are way more apt to apply these kind of calculations compared to the CPU. So yeah, I've implemented a blur. I've also implemented a contrast value, so we can blur it to, let's say, 3, something like that. We can increase the contrast or lower it, okay? So let's lower the brightness and the contrast just to have a basic image. So the basic one, I think, was kinda like this. But yeah, I've also added a way to modify the vibrance of the image. So it's basically a way to increase the saturation, okay? Yeah, looks way better like so. If we select another palette, of course, it's gonna have a completely different look. So let me just write palette in here. You see, you can select different palettes. I've tried with some watercolor palettes, but I had some troubles having good results. Even if I increase the contrast and the brightness, like something like that, this is actually pretty decent, but still a bit weird. So yeah, I still don't know how I'm gonna manage this, but hopefully I will. I will find a way to, because it kind of looks good for this image, but the butterflies are messed up. Same thing for this one. The coffee is okay-ish. Actually, it was better yesterday. This guy is meh. This is really bad. So yeah, I still need to tweak the settings, but at least I have a way to edit this a little bit better. So let me just set this back to 0, 1. Let's actually increase the brightness a little bit and the contrast. Yeah, we are seeing pretty decent results here. What about using another palette? What do you think of this? It's actually pretty cool, huh? But is this better or the complete palette? The complete palette right here. Maybe if I increase the vibrance maybe to 2, make it kinda, yeah, something like that. I don't know actually. Blurred feels weird, but non-blurred is too much detail. Yeah, I'm still trying to tweak the results here and tweaking the values and trying to have some good results. But yeah, hopefully I will reach a point where I'm satisfied. I'm satisfied with the results. Let me just try this one. Maybe it will be better actually. So let's increase the brightness. Okay, I like this. Maybe increase the contrast a little bit more. What about the vibrance? Meh. Maybe I'm gonna allow the user to edit or tweak these values for each image. But here is another issue. I tried to add this to the actual jigsaw puzzle, and it would not work, unfortunately, because I'm right now using a shader, and if you use this shader on every little piece, it's messy and it's laggy. Because yeah, of course, there are some loops inside of here for the blur, some loops for the texture to grab textures from the palette, so it's not optimal. So what I tried to do is to actually use this for the texture once and then apply the texture or use the texture for the pieces. But it's not that good yet. But yeah, hopefully it will be better tomorrow. See you tomorrow.